Hey folks, welcome in this tutorial. This is Saurabh, and in this section of tutorial we are going to learn that how to do program for checking a number is palindrome or not by using Python language. So firstly, what is palindrome? So it is a word or number, phrase or other sequences of character which reads the sum backward as forwards. That is, if suppose we write a name like madam, so it will be same if we read from backward to forward or forward to backward. Also there is one more, that is race car, so it is also a palindrome numbers. There are also numeric palindromes including date, time, stamps using short digit, like if we will take date, then 11 11 11, it is a palindrome. If we take a time, that is 11 11, so it is a palindrome in time. So this is the palindrome, but we don't know that how to check it into programming languages. So now here I will show you that how to do a program to check these numbers are palindrome or not. So without wasting of our time, let's start with a program for palindrome. So the first work we'll do is that we'll take a user input, that is an integer user input, and store it into a variable, that is num1. So I will take a integer input and here we'll write enter the number. So this number will be for input. So here user will input, and after that we'll store this input into one temporary variable, that is temp. After that we'll write one more variable, that is sum. I will show you that why this is. After writing these three steps, we'll go in the third step, that is we'll use one while loop here, and while loop I have used because here we'll check that num1 is greater than 0. So if a number which we have given input will be greater than 0, then it will go into the while loop, and here we'll write a statement for some condition, that is suppose uh, we need a last digit of the number which we have given an input here. So for checking the last digit, we have to obtain it by using the modulus operator. That is, suppose the digit will be dis is equal to the number which we obtained as a last digit, that will come by modulus of this number which we have given input. After finding the last digit, then stored at the ones place, and it will stored at the second and then tens place, and so on. So the last digit is then removed by truly dividing by the number. I will show you that how, but before that it will go increasing 1 and 1. Sorry, sum is equal to sum asterisk 10 plus dz, and it will go until num is equal to num1 divided by 10. So after this loop terminates when the value of the number is 0. If it will be greater than 0, then it will go into this loop, otherwise it will go outside of the loop. And the reverse of the number is then compared with the integer value stored in a variable. That is, reversed value means this sum value, it will be our reverse value. Now here we'll check that it is equal to the temp variable is equal to our sum or not. So if it is equal to sum, then it will be palindrome, sorry, we have used here curly bracket, it's not a Java, else print not palindrome. So this was the whole program for palindrome. Now we'll check that this is right program or not. So we will click run here and it will ask for an input. We'll give one input, that is 1 to 1, and here it is saying that it's a not palindrome. Why? It is saying that it's not palindrome because we have only divided here. So we'll give one more slash and after that we'll check that it is palindrome or not. So here we'll enter and here we are able to find that it is palindrome. So this is the only condition we have to put in our mind for checking any palindrome number, for finding the last digit number, and after that we increase one step by using this number and it will end here where we'll get a last digit by num is equal to num uh, divided by 10, and after that we'll check the condition that the sum which we have given here it is equal to this number or not. If this is equal to that number then it will be palindrome, otherwise it is not a palindrome. So I will show you one more thing here. Suppose if we enter 1 2 3 4 and now we'll check, so this is saying that it is not a palindrome. So this was the program for palindrome. Hope you all guys are now able to do this. Go and practice it again and again. So this is end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.